The dawn of the Second Industrial Revolution would have been but a dim spark in the advancement of technology had it not been for the intellectual prowess and technological contributions of Nikola Tesla. With over 700 patents to his name, including inventions that are still used today, Tesla was able to claim the titles of inventor and electrical and mechanical engineer. The extent of his abilities was not fully recognized until his pursuit of math and physics was superseded by his passion for electricity. Among his many abilities was efficiency. Tesla came to America in 1884 and immediately began work with Thomas Edison, improving Edison's line of dynamos while working in Edison's lab in New Jersey. During this time, a dichotomy in beliefs was evident and began a protracted struggle to improve electricity along the East Coast. Tesla held an affinity for alternating current, believing that the cyclic nature of energy would lend itself more efficiently through the use of multiple waves distributed one way than the other. Unfortunately, Edison still held faith in his direct current investments, despite the inability for high voltage levels to be obtained in long-distance transmission. In the end, it was clear alternating current was a superior technology, which only led to the increased availability of electricity nationwide. Tesla's capacity for efficient machinery lent itself to many of his greatest discoveries. The beginning of 1882 was the year in which Tesla discovered one of the fundamental principles of physics, the rotating magnetic field, which he used for the construction of the alternating current motor and the polyphase system, which allows for the generation, transmission, and distribution of electrical power. Ultimately, Tesla was the most important contributor to the beginning stages of commercial electricity. Despite his ingenuity and technical brilliance, Tesla was limited by the theories and beliefs of his time. Many viewed his ideas as outlandish, impossible, or bizarre, which was perhaps due in part to his eccentric personality. During his life, Tesla was ostracized by the scientific community and regarded as a mad scientist. He struggled at times to make ends meet financially and often worked as a laborer, but this never hindered the far-reaching expanses of his endless ideas. It is clear that Nikola Tesla was a man before his time. Among his experiments and inventions are X-ray, the brushless alternating current induction motor, wireless electricity, lasers, and even machines used for inducing sleep. He built the first radio transmitter when he began transmitting electromagnetic energy without wires, and he attempted to sell his plans for a death ray, allegedly able to annihilate a fleet of 10,000 airplanes from 200 miles away, to the American and European militaries, both of whom refused. It is believed Tesla struggled with obsessive-compulsive disorder and had a strange love of pigeons, often feeding them and allowing them to stay in his hotel rooms. He was disgusted by overweight individuals and jewelry, and often criticized others' taste in clothing, forcing those who worked for him to change their attire as a result. His personality was an obvious turn-off to those who tried to get close to him, and he claimed to have remained celibate his entire life because of his ambivalence toward women in the romantic sense. Tesla's legacy lives on today throughout the world. His visage is printed on Serbian coins, and the largest power plant complex in Serbia is named in his honor, the country where Tesla was born. He is also featured on Yugoslav dinar notes, on memorandum plaques, and he is the subject of many statues and busts, some of which are located in the Nikola Tesla Museum in Belgrade. His inventions were cultivated by the very essence of his brilliance, and his ability to harness electricity and technological efficiency has influenced today's society. He will always live on through his inventions that have shaped our world, even if many of his ideas were before his time.